if you know that you are afraid, please do not, I repeat, do not attempt this direction I'm about to teach. Did you hear me? I said, do not attempt this direction I'm about to teach if you know that you are afraid. See, you people do, oh, I want to open third eye, I want to open third eye, I want to see, I want to see, I want to see. The reason we do not see is because for real, sometimes your brain cannot handle the truth. And so I'm about to teach you a small way to see beyond what is around you. I keep telling you the energies, the forces, they're around us all the time, but you do not see them. You do not see them because, look, sometimes they are scary. So I'm about to teach you a simple way to know that there are things around you. Now, for some, depending on how perceptive or how spiritually inclined you are, you will see some very, very horrifying things. For some of you, it'll just be lights, orbs, shadows, and that's fine. But like I said, I beg you, if you know that you're afraid, don't do it. Okay? Good. Now, stand facing forward. Wherever your forward is. Don't kind of ask me east, west, no. Facing forward. Stand. Because people, you can ask some questions. Excuse me. Okay. So stand facing forward. Looking forward without blinking. So look forward. Dead forward. Without blinking. As you are looking forward, try to see within your periphery. Okay? Do not turn your head. Do not turn to look. Do not turn your eyes to look. Don't do that. Do you understand? Be looking forward, but try to see beyond the point that you're looking at. So usually what I would do is I'll find a point to focus on. Okay. Try to see your periphery, your peripheral vision around you. Okay. If you notice anything, do not be tempted to turn to look because it will disappear. Like I said, our brains are wired to protect us from seeing these things. But you do so you there you want to see. So me too, I'll teach you how to see. So if you do see anything, do not attempt to turn your head to look at it. Okay. More often than not, you will see like shadows, you will see lights, you will see orbs or something like that. If you do see any of these things that I have mentioned in your peripheral vision, oh, I didn't say go and turn and look because it's small problem. You can lose your mind. Okay. If you see any of these things that I have mentioned, either aloud or in your head, you can ask questions. You can ask questions like, why are you here? What are you? You know, you can ask it questions. And trust me, an answer will be in your head. A clear excuse me. What's going on with my throat? A clear, unmistakable answer to the question that you asked will be in your head. If you do not hear anything, that is fine. That's you. Then maybe, Charlie, you are not, it's not for you to see. Maybe your brain knows that you there, Charlie. Any line you cross, no, so it's not for you to see. But yes, for most people, I have taught this and have tried it. They usually get an answer to their question. And so again, I will say to you that noko yejing. You can go and test this and see. Ka no kwe, ka ko. Well, you can ka and kwe for yourself. But I can tell you on authority that noko yejing. And so as I always say, guard your heart, guard your essence, guard your spirit, and stay safe out there. Love you. Oh, if you tried this, come and tell me. Comment. If you tried this, comment and tell me. Okay. Love you. Bye.